Analyzing assumptions starts with identifying them. These are often implicit and unnoticed. Look for statements accepted without question. For example, in renewable energy debates, an assumption might be that renewable energy is always better than fossil fuels. Once identified, challenge assumptions by examining their validity. Ask, is this assumption based on evidence? And what if this assumption is false? For instance, the belief that successful people always work hard overlooks factors like luck and opportunity. Biases are tendencies that skew judgment and are closely related to assumptions. Common biases include confirmation bias, favoring information that confirms preconceptions, and anchoring bias, relying too heavily on initial information. Recognizing biases is crucial for objective analysis. Practice analyzing assumptions by breaking down arguments. Take a stance on a controversial issue and list underlying assumptions. Critically evaluate each one. Another exercise is to reverse assumptions, considering how your viewpoint changes if an assumption were false. In real life, analyzing assumptions leads to informed decisions. In the workplace, unexamined assumptions can result in ineffective strategies. By questioning these assumptions, you develop more robust and flexible plans, fostering better communication and collaboration.